So I want to know.
So how would it be? Like,
Wait, Danny. I want to make sure nothing pops into anyone's face.
all right, so this is gonna really hurt a lot.
No finger
actually.
Danny.
Can I have some gloves?
Fuck that, dude.
What's the BB gun
It's
involved?
ridiculous.
Shotgun.
We're shooting the hole in it.
Not right here. That's gonna ricochet somewhere bad.
No, don't. There's too damn many people down here.
That's
I ain't
kinda
got but
bad.
one eye.
That's true.
That's kind of bad.
We should just
If it
back up
doesn't
then.
Go
Just
through.
back up.
Here, yeah, just go over here. Shoot this way, in this direction. It'll be fun.
I mean, but I'm still worried about our faces.
Oh, you're the one.
Well, we're doing it.
It's not the most powerful BB gun though.
Wait, let me
just go.
see. Let me see how flush I can get this. Where's the hole? That it actually comes out of the middle. Okay.
No, you just aim.
Directly in the
I
middle.
was thinking.
Aim
Just hold it
there,
right
just
at-
aim
I mean, I was gonna
straight.
put it blunt on it.
Blunt on it, dude.
Okay.
Blunt on it.
I'm gonna fucking chug the shit out of these BBs.
No, no, you're gonna be fine. There you go. Whatever, you poop them out. They're round.
Wait, just no.
No, flush.
Put it on
flush.
your.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, I need it.
Oh, this is gonna suck. All right, go. No, wait. When I say go, he
I'm
goes,
gonna-
and then you go.
Yeah. Just wait for the fire. Ready?
Am I going?
Record.
I'm recording.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, that actually worked.
Yeah.
Of course. What's gonna happen? You might drink some BBs. You drank it out of the BB hole?
Yeah. It's still in there. I can hear it.
That was a smart last second decision.
Yeah, I probably drank a BB. I kind of felt one going down there.
Alright,
You got that on tape, right?
Uh huh.
Wait, Danny.